Greetings, my name is Jered Pennington, and I proudly serve as the principal for Amy Beverland Elementary School. Amy Beverland opened in 1989 and has recently undergone the first major renovation in the school's history. I would like to thank our school board, our superintendent Dr. Smith, project architects from Ratio for their commitment to bringing this renovation's vision to reality. Thank you to the entire Amy Beverland learning community for your support. This renovation has set the stage for continued excellence for years to come at Amy Beverland Elementary as we continue to shine on. It is my pleasure to turn it over to our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Smith.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Board of Education, the faculty and staff, I welcome you to the rededication of Amy Beverland Elementary School. It is a celebration of excellence, ladies and gentlemen, and as a part of our Blue Ribbon Facility Plan, we are able to execute excellence by the complete renovation of this beautiful elementary school. Amy Beverland has over 30 years of history, and so today we will celebrate that history by dedicating the building with a complete renovation. These renovations will probably last for about 20 years, but today, ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate the excellence of Lawrence Township. As a part of the renovation today, ladies and gentlemen, we have a special recognition. Part of this renovation, we have the commemoration of the new Susan Jordan Media Center. And so we're proud of the history of Mrs. Jordan, who was our former principal. And so today, as a part of this renovation, you'll have an opportunity to see this beautiful facility. But in order to make this happen, part of my job is to work on behalf of the Board of Education. And one of the acts of the Board of Education is the approval of all construction projects. So at this time, I'd like to turn it over to our board president, Mr. Reginald McGregor.
Good afternoon to all. On behalf of the Lawrence Township School Board, we want to thank all our partners, families, and the entire Amy Beverland community for their patience and their support of this wonderful renovation project. As a board, we are proud of the external and internal improvements, making sure our facilities are safe, and we have cutting-edge technology to continue to prepare our students for their future endeavors. Again, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Smith and Mr. McGregor. Please enjoy the Amy Beverland School Song, followed by a virtual tour of our beautifully renovated school.